Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Dipper Harbour is a small coastal community in southwestern New Brunswick, located along the Bay of Fundy, about 40 kilometers west of the city of St. John. Surrounded by rugged coastline, dense forests, and sheltered coves, it is one of the province's traditional fishing villages. Although the community is small, it offers a good example of the working waterfront that has been part of life on the Bay of Fundy for generations. Dipper Harbour has a population of only a few hundred people. Many families have lived here for generations, and neighbors know one another well. Many people choose to live here because of the peaceful coastal setting and the strong sense of community that still exists in rural New Brunswick. Long before European settlement, the coastline around Dipper Harbour was used by the Passamaquoddy and Mi'kmaq peoples, who traveled these waters for fishing, hunting, and trade. European settlers arrived during the late 1700s and early 1800s, attracted by the sheltered harbour and the rich fishing grounds of the Bay of Fundy. As more families settled in the area, fishing, small farms, and timber harvesting became the foundation of the local economy. Fishing has remained the community's most important industry for generations. Lobster fishing is the largest employer on the water, with the annual lobster season providing work for harvesters, boat crews, wharf workers, and seafood transport companies. Some residents also fish for scallops, herring, and other species found in the Bay of Fundy. Aquaculture, including Atlantic salmon farming, provides additional employment in the surrounding region. Housing in Dipper Harbour remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities. Most homes are detached houses on generous lots, and some properties offer views of the Bay of Fundy or direct waterfront access. In recent years, average home prices have generally ranged between about $250,000 and $375,000. Waterfront homes can sell for considerably more because of their location and limited supply. Today, Dipper Harbour continues to balance its traditional way of life with modern opportunities. Fishing, aquaculture, forestry, tourism, and commuting to nearby employment centers all contribute to the local economy. Although it is a small community, Dipper Harbour remains an important part of New Brunswick's Bay of Fundy coastline, offering a combination of natural beauty, maritime history, and a working waterfront that has changed very little over the generations. Thanks for watching!